Why should I sit and sigh when the greenwood blooms sae bonny? Lavrock sing, floweret spring, but me are cheery. But there is something wanting, but I am weary. Nay, young blithe and bonny lad comes the now to cheer me. Why should I sit and sigh when the greenwood blooms sae bonny? Lavrock sing, floweret spring, but me are cheery. When I see the plover rising or the curlew wheeling, then I wish some bonny lad was coming to my sheeling. Why should I sit and sigh when the greenwood blooms sae bonny? Lavrock sing, floweret spring, but me are cheery. By the time James Hogg wrote these words for this Gaelic tune, it was already rather an ancient song. In Gaelic, it's known as Ha mi ski, I am tired of being lonely. And the second line is Buaina ranich, which is the much more prosaic and chore-like pulling bracken. Lots of Gaelic school children know this song as Buaina ranich. James Hogg, however, writing at the time of the Enlightenment and in the Scottish borders, cast this song much more as a song about nature and longing. He was a man of the land. His nickname was the Ettrick Shepherd. It was rumoured that his grandfather was the last man in the borders to be known to speak to the fairies. And James Hogg, in fact, really promoted this song as a fairy love song. I like it for its references to spring at this time of year, for the greenwood blooming sae bonny, and all the mention of birds. Clearly, Hogg was used to that, the lavrocks and the plovers and the curlews, and the way he uses terms like wheeling, meaning the curlew was startled in flight, as if somebody had come upon it. I learned this song when I heard it probably around the early 1980s in Dundee for the Sir John Lyng Gold Lyng Medal Scots Song Competition. This is a competition that's been going on in Dundee, in every school in Dundee and the surrounding area, for about 100 years to promote Scots song, and I'm sure I heard many girls sing this at that time. So the version I know is the Hogg version. There are other versions. There's a well-known version by Ewan MacColl, which is known Ailey Ban.